Does this sound familiar? You're minding your own business, scrolling through YouTube in a desperate attempt to satisfy your overloaded dopamine receptors, when you suddenly see an overly enthusiastic crypto YouTuber pitching you the latest shitcoin. Unfortunately, you're not alone. Surprisingly enough, some of these coins actually managed to perform decently over the past month, contrary to the popular belief that all of them end in a rug pull.
Oh! Oh! It went to zero! Yo!
Frontrunners in these are obviously the Shiba breed, Doge and Shiba Inu. But now that some of these shitcoins have established themselves as big players, we ask, how? And do they pose a threat to other, more fundamental projects? Firstly, a shitcoin is a term used to refer to a crypto or digital currency that has little to no value or purpose. In polite circles, they might be referred to as altcoins, but most people tend to suggest there is a difference between the two. Within the last year, several shitcoins have been gaining traction, increasing in their price and market capitalization. One reason for this may be the fact that they appear like an easy and inexpensive entry point into the world of crypto investment for a crypto newcomer. Currently, your average shitcoin doesn't cost as much per coin as other, more legitimate projects, which for a newcomer who doesn't understand cryptocurrency may make them seem like a more attractive opportunity. Why would they bother buying a fraction of a Bitcoin for several thousands of dollars when they can buy thousands of Shiba tokens for just a few dollars? To a newcomer, it may appear at the more attractive deal to buy these coins, at the upside of a token that only costs a few cents appears to be much larger. New investors aren't bothered researching the meaning of market capitalization and hence see shitcoins as a kind of get-rich-quick opportunity. This brings us to our second point, hype. The name of these projects often include phrases referring memes, popular movies or celebrities. Examples for this are the Shiba Inu dog, Squid Game or Elon Musk. These projects are shilled over social media platforms such as TikTok, YouTube and Instagram by questionable financial advisors. Users will then ape into these coins without doing any further research as they are tunnel visioned by their FOMO. The Squid Game token is a prime example for this. Hype? Check. No real purpose? Check. Popular movie name? Check. Coins can't be withdrawn once bought as stated in the white paper? Most of these projects aren't a sustainable investment opportunity. Coming back to the point of hype, the recent shitcoin market has been a bit like the Hunger Games, with a type of survival of the fittest market where shitcoins fight amongst each other for who can amass the most public attention in order to pump their own bags. Adding to the point of hype, celebrity endorsement. Elon Musk can easily be credited with having the biggest celebrity impact on the crypto industry, single-handedly pushing Dogecoin into this dramatic increasing popularity and price action over the last year. Today, Dogecoin is pushing a $20 billion market cap, having had a price increase of about 5,000% since last year. For reference, that means if you had invested $1,000 into Dogecoin a year ago, those $1,000 would now be worth around $50,000. Do shitcoins pose a threat to bigger, more fundamental projects? The short answer is no, not really. They aren't even to be seen as a competition to most projects. While shitcoins may grow faster in the short term due to their current hype, projects with further functions and fundamentals will be more likely to succeed in the long run. For example, a popular celebrity stops endorsing or mentioning a specific coin in their tweets, investors often sell their bags in a panic. At other times, a shitcoin might experience a massive dump because of a newer, shinier, more hyped shitcoin. So in conclusion, hold on to the fundamentals, do your own research and invest with caution. Thanks for watching our video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to press the like button, share the video with your margin call bankrupt friend, subscribe and press the bell button to inform you of our newest video.
Fundamentals, 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 fundamental and fundamental, fundamentals, 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 fundamentals.